Hello friends, welcome to TQR, that is Tax Queries and Replies. In this second episode, we are going to see one question received from an IT professional working in Pune. Now, what he has asked, he claims that his monthly salary is more than rupees 1 lakh. Besides his other income, he is also having bank fixed deposits of rupees 40 lakhs, on which he earns roughly about 2.5 lakh rupees by way of interest, which makes him to pay 30% tax on this interest also. Now he has asked whether I can transfer this 40 lakhs worth deposits to his wife or to his mother, and both being below taxable limit, he is in a position to save roughly about 75,000 in the form of income tax. Will it work? Thank you for the query. Now, as you have rightly said, your income is rupees 1 lakh per month, that is more than 12 lakh rupees, so certainly you are falling in 30% tax slab. In this situation, you are also receiving interest from bank deposits of rupees 40 lakhs, roughly about 2 lakh 50,000. After getting a deduction of rupees 10,000, the balance amount of 2 lakh 40,000 is subject to tax at the rate of 30%. Your idea of transferring this 40 lakh rupees to your spouse or to your mother, and your intention is to avoid the tax liability. I am using the word avoid, I am not using the word evade. So avoidance is always legal, whereas evasion is illegal, not permissible. Now it has got two questions: whether you can transfer the deposits in the name of your spouse or wife and thereby save taxes, or you can transfer the or give the money to your mother and thereby reduce your taxes. So these two questions are to be understood independently because it has got different provisions. If you transfer any property to your spouse, here wife, without any adequate consideration, then whatever income earned by that spouse is to be included in your income. So what I mean to say, if you transfer this 40 lakh rupee deposit to your spouse, to your wife, and she keeps the money in bank deposits and earns likewise 2 lakh 50,000 interest, then that 2 lakh 50,000 interest will be includable in your income, and your income, salary income, will be 12 lakhs minus standard deduction 50,000 plus this bank interest of 2 lakh 50,000. That means whether the deposit is in your name or in the name of your spouse, you will not be in a position to save any taxes. However, if you transfer this money or deposit in the name of your mother, and what you have said that your mother is having income below taxable limit, in that case mother will earn rupees 2 lakh 50,000 interest, and that interest, including her other income, she may not be required to pay 30% tax. At the most she may pay nil tax or 5% tax or 10% tax, as the case may be. Now here in this case, if the proper money is transferred or deposit is transferred in the name of your mother, then whatever interest income is earned by your mother is not includable in your income. Therefore, that is how you can legally save your taxes, by transferring deposits in the name of your mother. However, one more thing to be made clear over here is, if you transfer any property to your mother, whether movable, immovable, movable means like bank deposits or any other property, to your mother, then she is not liable to any kind of income tax on the amount or on the property received from her son, because it is a gift. In income tax it is called a gift, and the gift tax is abolished from 1st October 1998, whereas it is treated as income in the hands of receiver. However, gift within relations without any limit is exempt from tax. So these 40 lakh deposits received by your mother, she will not be required to pay any tax at all. Besides, whatever interest earned on this deposit is taxable in her hands, and nothing will be included in your hands. Impliedly, you can certainly save taxes without any difficulty, and this is perfectly legal, justifiable, cannot be questioned by any authority. I hope I have answered your query. If you have got any queries, your friends have got any queries, now this channel is giving replies in your own language. That is the USP of it. So far we have covered Marathi, Hindi, Kannada, Konkani, Urdu and Malayalam languages. Shortly we are going to add other languages also, but ensure that you ask your queries and we reply your queries in your language. As a matter of caution, kindly consult your tax professional before executing your decision or before taking your decision on the basis of this answer, for the simple reason all the facts may not be covered in your query, or there is a time gap between the decision you are taking and the video that is being released today. In between there is a change in law. So thank you very much. If you like the concept, subscribe it and pass it on to as many of your friends as possible. Thank you very much.